Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Dr. Vikas Singh Vadoria. In today's video, I will discuss about the conduction of lab experiments through virtual labs. Uh, as we all are aware that in this lockdown period, all the activities are being stopped, but there is one activity that is about the teaching and learning. This never stop. We all faculty members have provided the learning content through a digital online delivery platform or through recorded video lectures, but these contents were able to cover only the theory part of the different subjects. The one part which is very important related to all academic activities, that is the laboratory part, and that laboratory part was untouched in this duration. So this video is related to about covering that part, that how to conduct those practicals. Those practicals can be conducted through virtual labs. So you can do one thing, either on the in the Google you can type virtual lab, or you can type the directly the website of virtual lab, that is vlab.co.in. So whenever you will visit this website is a, or this initiative of virtual lab is done by the Ministry of HRD. This is under the National Mission on Education through ICT. Whenever you will visit this website, you will get the objectives of the virtual labs, then the philosophy of the virtual lab, and then different salient features of the virtual lab. So I am not going to discuss these points. You can go through those points and clearly identify and study those points. So now directly we will come to the point that what are the different areas in which virtual labs are existing. So there are totally 9 areas in which different virtual labs are existing. Each area is containing many labs. Suppose we are considering one engineering, that is electrical engineering. Whenever we are visiting this electrical engineering virtual lab page, then on the left hand side you will find the virtual lab name, and on the right hand side you will find the participating institute or the institute which has developed this lab. So suppose consider that I am opening this lab, that is virtual laboratory for simulation and gaming. Whenever I will click on this link, a new web page which is especially devoted to this lab will open, and you will find all details related to that lab on that particular web page. These are the all details related to that lab, that the simulation of these are the list of experiment, simulation of auction market, dynamics of quality fluctuations, project investment, production distribution, organizational procurement, and so on. Then these are the developers who have developed this virtual lab. So this lab is under development. This is you can visit the phase 1, and if you are having any suggestion, then you can send mail on this particular branch. So this is a web page for any particular lab. Whenever you will visit that web page, you can find the list of experiments. Suppose I am visiting another lab, that is virtual high voltage lab. This is developed by IIT Kharagpur. So on this web page you can find the introduction, what are the list of experiments which you can conduct through this lab, then the FAQs, then references, the technology used, the people involved in development, and then if you are having any feedback. So these are the experiments in this virtual high voltage lab. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, these 7 experiments are already developed, and these 2 are under the development phase. So you can conduct these experiments virtually. In the upcoming videos I will discuss one by one the labs related to the electrical engineering, and the each experiments, that how that experiment can be conducted through virtual labs. Thanks for the watching video. And if you want to know that how that experiment or how any particular experiment can be performed through the virtual labs, then stay connected to the channel. And for this purpose, you just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification about the latest video. Thank you.